Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the lower rack roller kit on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the lower rack wheel assembly, we'll need to first of all remove any items that may be on that lower rack, and then we'll take it completely out of the dishwasher and set it on a surface where we can change out that part. We'll just remove the cutlery basket to get that out of the way. Now, the original rack rollers have both a left and a right hand version. The replacement assembly will fit either side. So to remove the existing rack roller that you're replacing, we'll need to first of all remove a separate cover. Now, to remove the cover, we're simply going to lift up on the outside edges of it quite sharply, and that should release the top portion of it. If it comes off really hard, you'll also note that there are two tabs through the middle that you may need to take a flat blade screwdriver and insert it into there and pry up on those two clips. So we'll start with lifting the cover up first. Just grasp both outside edges. Just lift up and tilt it back. And the center clip should come out, but if not, again, we just put a flat blade screwdriver in there to release those. You can discard the cover, and remove the wheels, discard those as well. And then we'll slide the old assembly completely off of the rack. Now, with the new wheel assembly, if you're putting it on the right-hand side of the rack, we'll fit it into position and slide it towards the back. If we're installing it on the left side, we would put it into position and slide it towards the front. And there's a set of tabs there that will lock and hold it in place. So put it in position, line it up against the first horizontal wire on that lower rack. And then we're going to push it in the proper direction until it locks in place. And now we're ready to put the rack back in the dishwasher. So we'll open up the door, place the rack into position, push it all the way back in. We can close it up, and your repair is complete.